Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to be going over XAUUSD Wednesday, July 22nd, 2026. In this video, I'll also be talking about the Golden Cross and the Death Cross. I've been using these two EMAs to really help me get into my positions, both my entries and my exits. I also utilize it to give me confidence to keep holding on to the trade and also add on to the trade when the opportunity presents itself. So here you can see I'm detecting where the EMA cross has started, and right now I took a position here after the market opened for Asia session. It already created this huge red candle with massive wicks on the upside, so that identified for me that there's going to be some bearish pressure, but I just want to make sure that I'm managing my trade. So you can see here that I took positions right where it started to reject off of the EMAs, and going into the higher time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, the cross is the Golden Cross, so it's still open for bullish positions. But here in the short, the lower time frame on the short term bias, I will be taking short positions just for a quick scalp, and then overall trend I'll be holding for buys, because in the 4-hour the bullish pressure is still very strong. But here you can clearly see that it's pushing down on the lower time frames, and you can see here that I'm just managing my positions and switching back and forth. I've been practicing utilizing the stop loss trail here on Trade Locker, and if you need help with Trade Locker, go ahead and message me. And here you can see I am again detecting on what happened this morning. I took a really good position on gold for the 9:30 open. I believe we were looking for sales inside of our group, but for me this whole entire setup was screaming for buys, so I didn't follow my group's signals. I decided to just follow my own signal based off of what I detected in the market. So you can see here that Fibonacci retracement from that swing. So when the market opened, it went right around the 50% level, not quite towards the 61.8. But you can see that gave me the confidence to look for buying positions right here. And then, so when the market opened, it started to create some bullish pressure. Here I'll go in the lower time frame so you can see what I was looking at. So the first few candles before the market opened, you can see it was all red, and then it found the support, and then it did not come back from that support. It just kept pushing and immediately created that Golden Cross, so it gave me the confidence to continue holding. I was getting in and out of the trades. I still need to be able to hold some of these trades, but here you can see how I am showing you what I was looking at and potential entries in the morning. But you can clearly see that if you were to hold this particular trade from the New York session all the way up here where it started to create a new pivot or a swing high, you would profit so much money. But you can see that if you were to just get in at that Golden Cross or anywhere near that Golden Cross zone, and then just keep holding until you see that big red candle cross within your 9 EMA or my blue EMA. And then now you can see here that I am detecting where the other cross is. So when it started to make that pullback after that huge swing, the EMAs did not cross, and that's what I found in my back testing and my strategy testing, that I can still have the confidence if I'm still in that trade, if I didn't get taken out. to continue holding. And here, when I logged into the account or my trading account, I immediately saw a sell position, so that's what I took right there. But that's it for this video. Hope you learned something from this. See you in the next one.